China versus Russia military strength. Countries. Russia military ranks number 2 out of 140 with a power index of 0.0791. China stands on number 3rd with a power index of 0.0854. President. The President of Russia is Vladimir Putin. The President of China is Xi Jinping. Capital. Moscow is the capital of Russia. The capital of China is Beijing. Total population. With a total population of 144.1 million, Russia ranks number 9th. China comes on number 1 with a total population of 1.41 billion. Available manpower. The Russia stands on number 9. China stands on number 1 in terms of available manpower. Active personnel. Russia has 1,013,628 active personnel. China has more active personnel than Russia. Defense budget. The total defenses budget of Russia is around $50 to $60 billion less than that of China. The total budget of China is $209.16 billion. Air Force. The Air Force of Russia is Russian Air Force. The China's Air Force is People's Liberation Army Air Force. Aircraft. The total number of aircraft in Russia is 4,000 plus. China's aircraft lies in the number of 3,200 something only. Fighter aircraft. Out of the total number of aircraft, Russia has 700 plus fighter aircraft. China has around 1,200 fighter aircraft. Trainer aircraft. Russia has a total of 490 plus trainer aircraft. The total number of trainers in China is around 400, lesser than that of Russia. Helicopter. Russia has a total number of helicopters more than 1,500. China only has 900 plus helicopters available. Attack helicopter. Russia has 530 plus attack helicopter while China has 327. Tanks. In terms of land power, Russia leads with a total number of 13,000 tanks. China has a tank strength of 3,200 plus. Armored vehicles. Russia has the total number of armored vehicles, 2,700 plus. And China has a number of 35,000 armored vehicles. Mobile rocket projector. Russia leads in the list of mobile rocket projectors with around 3,860, whereas the China is with 2,250 comes on number 2nd. Aircraft carriers. Russia has only one aircraft carrier, while China has two.